back to my channel. So in today's video I have something special and really cool because I am going to be recreating a look that I did when I first started doing makeup. So I went to my Instagram and I put up a poll of a couple pictures and you guys voted for the picture to recreate. So this is the picture right here. As you can see, it looks a little janky. Trust me, I know. As you can see, it's a whole bunch of blues and purples and like a green shimmer on the lid. You can't really see too much. I love the pop of yellow. So I cannot wait to show you guys how far I've come. Alright guys, so without further ado, let me stop talking and let's get right into the eyeshadow. I have the Anastasia Eye Primer right here. This is a white base and I actually loved using this because it does really make your eyeshadows pop. So I'm going to apply this, blend it out, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so eyes are all primed. As you can see, really stark white. I really do like this primer a lot. So now for the eyeshadow. So I remember using two eyeshadow palettes for this look. And the first one was this Alyssa Edwards palette right here. Really good palette. I actually love Alyssa Edwards, one of my favorite drag stars. And for the other palette, obviously it's a controversial brand, but I've had it for a while. So this is the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, which is actually one of my favorite palettes to play with because I love blue eyeshadows. So these were the two palettes that I initially used for this eye look, but I kind of want to go and play with the James Charles palette too, just because I want to use some of the different tones of blue just for some contrast and some depth. Those are the three palettes that I will be using today. I know that the first color I went in was like a nice minty blue color. And it was this one right here from the Blue Blood palette, which is that nice minty green right there. It's called Mint Tea, of course. So I'm going to take that and that's the first color we're going to lay down. We're going to take this fluffy Wet n Wild brush and we're going to go right into the minty color, of course. And just a disclaimer, no, I do not support Jeffree Star anymore, but these palettes have been in my collection since the beginning of time and they are expensive. They're really good quality and I actually enjoy using them. So no, I would not be throwing out because that's money out my pockets, but just wanted you guys know just in case, you know, there's some people out there that
I used to support Jeffree Star. No.
We're gonna go in here and kind of really build that minty color. And as you can see, this color is just so pretty, like one of my favorite shades in this palette. So I'm gonna wing it out a little bit just so when we do put that dark blue color down, it'll blend a little bit easier, of course. Alright, so this is looking really cute. I'm gonna go off camera and blend the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back, and of course, like I said, this color is just so freaking pretty. I love this color. So now I want to go and put some depth in there. This shade right here called Blue Blood, and I'm gonna put that right like in the socket of my eye just to deepen that crease just a little bit more. I'm gonna go in with this Nikita N4 brush. I'm just gonna go right in the hood. Again, I'm just excited to show you guys how far I've come with my eyeshadow, which sometimes, let me tell you, I'm just really like amazed on how far I've come in such a small amount of time. It hasn't even been a year and I feel like I've, you know, leveled up my eyeshadow game. And not only my eyeshadow game, I feel like even my makeup, my face makeup looks so much better than before because trust me, that video is coming. I'm actually thinking about filming a video of me applying my makeup the way I used to and then the way I do now. So if that's something you want to see, let me know in the comments below because I actually shared that idea with a couple friends and they are all for it. So definitely let me know because I got you. So now we're gonna go into this eye right here and really blend that. I just want that literally right in the socket. So far, I'm loving how this is turning out. It's giving me really like Frozen, like Elsa vibes. I want to take another blue before we deepen out the V. And I want to take this one right here. And I think this one is Cola. This baby right there. I want to apply that just right in my hood again, just to kind of give it a little bit more definition, more depth, more a little play of color. I want to just place that really lightly. Oh my god, this has so much pigment, I forgot. I'm gonna go into the blue from the Alyssa Edwards palette. This is called Dream It. And I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, off all the excess, and then we're gonna start blending that out on the outer V softly. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so tell me this is not looking damn cute, right? So I'm actually gonna go and cut the crease off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna apply the shimmers in the inner corner, and we're gonna finish this eye. You can see, obviously I'm doing the purple on the bottom, but if you can tell on the lid itself, I had this color right here, which is not bad. Obviously now I feel like it's a little bit too dark for this eye. I think I want to like kind of switch that out and do like another kind of color. So I grabbed my Avocado BH palette, which love, and I kind of want to go into either lemon pepper or like this one right here, which is still dark, but I think I want to do lemon pepper just to brighten that up a bit. Alright, so I think I'm gonna do the lemon pepper because this one looks so much better. And of course, wet the brush. Ooh, yes. Yes. Guys, so that's lemon pepper down on the lid. I love this color so much better. Like, this one works so much better. So I'm actually gonna take this and apply it on the other eye, and I'll be right back so we can pick another shimmer shade. Alright guys, so tell me this is not looking so freaking cute, right? Alright guys, so to blend that out, I want to go into this shade right here from the palette Blue Blood Ice Tray. This is so freaking pretty. So I'm gonna take this Nikita brush right here, which is so good. We're just gonna pop that right there. Oh, you see that blue? This is looking so freaking pretty. Now we're gonna go into this baby right here, and again I like patting down where I want the color first, and then slowly blending those two shades in. So this is how the look is coming along so far. I'm really happy with how this is coming along. Alright guys, so as you can see, it has some purple here on the bottom lashes and then that yellow there. First we're gonna take these line define tapes off, finish the full face, and then I'll be right back to obviously finish the bottom lashes and do the big reveal. So as you can see, full face is finally done. I got some eyelashes, foundation, blush, bronzer, all the good stuff is here. Alright guys, so we're gonna finish off these eyes, and I want to go into the purple that is in the James Charles palette, which is this one right there. So we're gonna take that in our bottom lash, and then to blend that, I think I want to go into the mint shade that we use for the transition, of course. For the inner corner yellow that's in the picture, I'm gonna take this yellow right here from the Alyssa Edwards palette, and that's what we're gonna do. So let's start off with the purple. So I'm gonna take this brush from LA Girl, the 204 brush, and I'm gonna go into the purple right here. I'm just gonna lightly run it. Alright guys, so to blend that out, I'm gonna go into this minty shade and then maybe this blue shade right there. Mix those together and blend this baby out. Guys, so let's blend this out. Looks so freaking adorable. Like, I'm in love. So for the yellow, again, we're gonna go right back into the Alyssa Edwards palette. Choose this one right here called Brick Road. We're gonna take this little brush right here. I'm gonna stomp that right there. We're just gonna go right in there and trying to really pack that yellow in there. Alright guys, so as you can see, the yellow is on. Oh, this eyes came out damn good. Alright guys, so we made it to the end of the video. This is the look that I recreated. So I'm gonna place a picture right here next to me so you can see the difference and just technique, everything. I think this came out so much better, so much prettier. Like, oh my god. Alright makeup lovers, so that is it. I am super excited on how this actually turned out. I cannot believe the difference. Like, again, I'm gonna just place the picture right here so you can just see the difference in technique and everything. But yeah, so this is me recreating one of my first looks ever. Let me know in the comments below how do you like it, how did I do, if it's better, if you like the old one better, if you like this one better. Definitely comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also, let me know if I should make this like a series on my channel, just like recreating past looks, because this was super exciting and I just love how it came out that yeah, I might even turn it into a series of just, like I said, recreating all looks. So comment down below, let me know how you feel about that. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hit that notification bell. You already know I upload every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. But again, guys, this was super fun and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.